Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to update the status of your project on the Asana application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then tap on the home button down below, which is the first option, and click on the project section at the top of the screen. Go to the recent section and select your current project. Tap on it and then click on the project name at the top of the screen. Scroll down and click on progress in the middle and tap on update status, which is in this blue box down below. Here click on project status, which is set to on track now, indicated with that green circle. If you scroll down, you can see that you have other options such as at risk, off track, on hold, or complete. So tap on the relevant one, click on the done button and tap on send. So as you can see, your project status has been updated. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.